Hey, film club. It's time. Time for D-Day. Yeah! No.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yes.
No. Yet. Nah. No. Not D-Day like the Danger Day. Daphne Day. This is Daphne's Day. D-Day. Today.
Yeah! Down and up and down and up and down and up and down.
So good. Oh. He seems to have left his Diet Coke. What? Where did he go? Hi guys. Hey. No, but really, that's a stereotype. You can't catch homosexuality. You can catch a homosexual. Holy
Hello? Joel, where is everyone?
Oh, they're all playing Gears of War.
Kind of expected that. I had to stop playing though. This person called Gears Destroyer 89 was just decimating me every round. It started to irritate me so much I just quit.
Gears Destroyer 89? That's Miss FMU.
Oh. That actually makes a lot of sense because she's been saying boom headshot a lot in class.
Ay, Dios mío.
Revive me! Get up! Revive me!
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 Revive me! GatorReels is so lame. What's this?
Come on! Go!
Go. You have the right of way. Okay.
Come on! Who's gonna go?
Go! 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 What the heck? Go! Just please go. Go. Has anyone seen Yoshi?
Yeah, he's right here.
No, not that one.
Oh, okay.
This one.
If you tell me to jump, then I'll die. In my dreams, I'm there. I always hope that I'd learn.